The Pentair Flotec FPOF 360 AC is a transfer pump roughly the size of a 12-ounce soda can. This small but powerful pump can move up to 350 gallons per hour and comes equipped with 2 suction options for various conditions. The pump easily plugs into a standard 3-prong grounded outlet, and its compact size makes it extremely mobile. Opening the box, you will find the owner's manual, a quick start guide, repair and priming instructions. Removing the literature, you will uncover the puddle scoop and the garden hose suction. While unpacking the garden hose, you may discover that it has a kink or two. Should this be the case, lay the suction hose in direct sunlight and allow it to get warm. Once warm, you should be able to work out the kinks in the hose. Continuing to unpack the box, you will find the pump located in an inner protective packaging. After removing the pump, at the bottom of the box, you will find the suction hose washer and the suction strainer. Here are all the components laid out. Before using the pump, make sure to review all of the literature. The owner's manual provides illustrations and instructions to assist you. If you are having trouble with this pump, the owner's manual has a listing of troubleshooting tips. As always, if you require additional assistance or have further questions, we encourage you to contact Pentair customer service and technical support at the number listed below.